ये रीड AI का वो कोई गल है ऐसे करना सोच। हाँ। Hello everyone, I am Disha. I will continue with the objectives. So objectives of the main goal of our project includes creating the student social media app which is similar to the Instagram and Facebook. It has the features like allowing the post sharing. It provides chatting features and easy and simple interface. It has secure login systems, which is better for communication also. So the next part is so next we will move on to the features of the GM Insta. So our GM Insta application involves the user registration, login systems, uploads post, like and comments, chat with friends, view profile, and logout. These are the features which are available in our GM Insta. Next will be continued by Diksha.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be explaining technologies used. In this project, we used modern web technologies to build an efficient system. For the front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This helps in designing the user interface and making the website interactive. For the back end, we used Node.js, which handles the server side logic and processes user requests. For the database, we used MongoDB. It stores all the data in a flexible and scalable way. For UI design, we use CSS and Tailwind CSS, which help in creating a clean, responsive, and attractive design. Next slide. System architecture. A system follows a three-tier architecture which divides the system into three parts. First is the presentation layer, which includes the user screens, that is what the user sees and interacts with. Second is the business layer, which contains the server logic. It processes user requests and control how the system works. Third is the data layer, which is the database. It stores and manages all the data. This architecture make the system well organized, easy to manage, and scalable. Next slide will be continued by Kirtana.
Hello everyone, I'm Ekta. So now we'll see about the database design. So here we have used the MongoDB to store the data in the form of collections, and there are four main collections here: user, post, comments, and messages. And user stores the account details, post store the user content, and comments store the interaction, and the messages handles the chat, and all the collections are connected logically, which helps in efficient data management. And this design makes the system fast and flexible and secure. Next slide. Advantages and future scope. The system is easy to use with the simple interface, and it provides the fast performance. And user data is kept secure, and the UI is clean and user friendly. In future, we can add the features like reels, notifications, and stories. We can also develop mobile app version to improve the accessibility. These features will make the system more advanced. Next slide. And moving on to the conclusion, GM Insta is the mini social media app which is developed using software engineering principles. It allows user to connect, share, post, and communicate. The project also follows the proper steps like design and database planning. It is simple but gives a clear idea of real world application development, and it can be further improved by adding more features in the future. Thank you.